All right, got another cool tool from our sponsor today from KINGBOLEN. They sent me the eDiag. This is a really neat tool because it's Bluetooth based and it's wireless. So this dongle, I've been testing it now for a while and it works really well. I'm going to go through a couple of these things here with you on what it can do. But like you can see here, connect up real easy. It's connected to my iPhone and it's plugged into the car through the OBD port and it's wireless. So what this allows you to do is you can do full diagnostic capabilities on just about any OBD2 vehicle that's out there. It has everything from readiness monitors. You can see if you go in here, it'll show you what monitors are complete and not complete, which is super helpful for emissions, as well as there's data stream. The data stream is really good. You can graph and record all these things. So I'm going to show you guys. This is in a car right now running live. You can see everything is looking good, super responsive. It's really good. Like for what the price point is on this thing, it's pretty awesome what it's able to do. But you can see you could scroll down through all these data stream PIDs here. And any of these individual PIDs that you click on, you can actually graph them if you like. So I'll show you here when you go back up, see if I can find one to graph for you guys. We probably just do RPM. So you can see this is RPM. Car's at idle right now. The more samples it gets, it will start to look a little different here. And then I'll rev the car up here and you can see car's revving up and it graphs really well. I mean, it's pretty responsive. You know, like I said, I'm pretty impressed. You know, usually got to pay quite a bit of money to get a scan tool that can do all the functions I'm finding in this thing so far and be this responsive with sampling rate and whatnot. So been using it at the shop. It's been real cool to use on a daily basis on these cars that I'm working on. And it's a great tool to have in the toolbox. I mean, this is kind of my go-to. I use it pretty much every day now, especially when I'm doing fresh motor starts and builds, because I can just put this in the car and I can be under the hood while the car's running and monitor the coolant temperature from outside the car and make sure the car's not overheating while I'm bleeding the system, and I'm checking for leaks at the same time. So pretty awesome. You know, I've been using it for that quite a bit. One of the things that is really neat about this scan tool as well is it allows you to do some other stuff here that I'm going to show you. Let me scroll back here and then show you. So we're going to go into the advanced diagnostics. We're Subaru working on STI here. You can do trouble codes, but what I want to show you, let me see. This is really neat. You can do, there's all kinds of tests and stuff you can do. Where is it? So I really like this because you can go into, oops, I didn't do that right. That's my bad. Okay. So you can do the VIN number, and this is cool. You can actually see the calibration ID of the tune that's on the car, which is extremely good information to have. A lot of scan tools can't do that. You can also do the calibration verification number to see if the car's been tuned. You can do all kinds of cool stuff with that. Let's see. One other really cool thing that I'm super excited about is this has the ability to do different diagnostic systems on the car besides the ECM. You can actually, let's see if I can go in here. We're going to go ahead and do a VIN scan. It's going to go ahead and scan the car for the VIN, and then we'll be able to actually get into different systems on the car like ABS and all kinds of stuff, which is really cool because most of my other, you know, generic scan tool and handhelds cannot do this. So we'll go in here. As soon as it identifies all the modules, it will come up with a list. Okay, I think we'll try 9 first. So you can see all the choices here, all kinds of good stuff in here. So let's see. So yeah, I don't think I chose the right protocol here. Let me fix that. We'll go to this one. 19. We'll try this again. There we go. Look at that. We're in the ABS module now. Look at that. That is badass. So now we can actually go into the ABS and other modules on the car. Super cool. Very hard to get at this price